Hi there. This is how we make keto cloud bread. We're going to infuse it with some THC to make it a 30 milligram bun for each one. We're going to use 3 eggs. I'm going to separate the yolks in one bowl and put the egg white in the other. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of cream cheese in, mix that up with the egg yolks, put in my product. I like to use concentrates, about 180 milligrams. I'm going to mix that up, throw my cream of tartar in with my egg whites, and get that going. That is going to take a little bit of time to whip up until the peaks are nice and firm. We want that to be a nice, firm, meringue looking whip of egg whites. That's kind of what the cream of tartar does, is make sure that our peaks get nice and firm and helps firm it up. I'm going to take half of the egg whites, now that they're firm, and fold it into the yolk mixture. And once I feel that I have that fully incorporated, I'll take the remainder of the egg whites and fold them in as well. I'm going to separate out 6 little portions. We want about a 1/2 inch thick. Then I'm going to put that in the oven for 30 minutes, 25 minutes at 300 degrees. I'm going to pull it out, let it cool for an hour before I do anything. I'm going to stack them up. I'm going to grab a gallon size Ziploc bag. And once I have them all removed from the parchment paper, I'm going to go ahead and put them in the Ziploc. I'm going to seal my bag, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator overnight, and these will have a really great consistency tomorrow.